Hello everyone, this is Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we'll be making some avocado, pineapple and coconut smoothie. The good thing about this smoothie is because of the amount of natural fat in it, it keeps you satiated for long so that you can have it as a breakfast and don't worry about having any other thing till you're ready for lunch. Plus, it's loaded with nutrients. Come with me as we make it. I know for sure you will like it. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so by clicking on the red button. I'll also be leaving a link to other nutritious smoothies below in the description box. Please do check it out. Thank you. So for avocado, pineapple and coconut smoothie, we'll be needing some coconut milk, some fresh avocado, a little bit of coconut water, and some pineapple chunks. So I'm going to drop the fluids in the blender first, then I'll drop the fruits, then we'll start blending. The coconut milk goes in, then the coconut water, avocado, pineapple chunks, it's a beautiful green cup of smoothie that will make a perfect breakfast. I hope you give this recipe a go and give us a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you.